Chennai 360, that is the water story we're bringing to you through this video. We at EFI have been working all across Chennai, from Meenjur to Vandalur, from Pattabiram to Muduchur, from Thirumalisai to Uthandi. In this journey today, we're taking you to Perungalattur. Thanks to the administrative support from the Chengalpet District Management and funding support from Hexaware, we at EFI have taken on the task of reviving two suburban ponds at Nedunkundram, which is located just a little away from Perungalattur. The Nedunkundram suburban story is that of a water story. A tiny little hamlet which is home to nearly 14 different water bodies, large lakes to mid-sized lakes, big ponds to small ponds, and more. Part of this collaboration between the Chengalpet District Administration, Hexaware and EFI, we have taken on the revival of the Gandhi Road Pond at Nedunkundram and the Samiyar Pond, which is located further inside the village. These two ponds have the same story of any other urban water body: exploited, dumped with garbage, sewage flowing into it freely, and the water body rapidly shrinking in size. The Nedunkundram project is a simple templatized model of restoration, where we're removing the garbage, we're removing the invasive weeds, we're deepening the water body, we're strengthening the embankments, and we're fencing the outer circumference to prevent future encroachment. We found several rock boulders within the pond, which we've neatly aligned in the center of the water body to create nesting pots for different life forms. Not just that, the soil is so rich in nutrients that we are planting berry-bearing, nectar-bearing, fruit-bearing saplings on the outer circumference of these water bodies. After removing all the garbage and ensuring free flow of fresh water from the monsoon showers, we are seeing both these water bodies fast fill up. Here is a humble request. If you're moving into the suburbs of any large metropolis in India, take a minute to search for freshwater lakes and ponds in that hamlet. Let us not be responsible for the pollution of these water bodies. Let's rather be part of the solution in conserving suburban ponds. We at EFI thank all of you for supporting this initiative. Volunteer for India and her environment with EFI. Jai Hind.